Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best folding hand trucks that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Harper Truck's Convertible Hand Truck. If you want to make full utilization of your money and want perfect returns, then invest money in this unit without even thinking once. It is manufactured exclusively in the United States using a nylon plastic frame for a stable level of strength. This material is nearly 30% lighter than steel that ensures solid power. Despite being sold at a good price, the process to convert it into a dolly or cart takes less than 10 seconds. Additionally, there is a 3-position telescoping handle added to the unit for making movement easier. The hand truck easily converts in seconds from 2-wheel dolly into 4-wheel cart to fit the needs of any project. The 8-inch wheels have solid rubber tread and 3-inch swivel casters. The built-in stair glides for easy moving up or down stairs and curbs. At number 4. Magliner GMK81UA4. The people who are seeking a convertible hand truck that works with minimum convenience. It is manufactured using industrial grade for long-lasting durability. There are large pneumatic wheels and bearing swivel casters attached to the unit that make sure you can turn conveniently even with a super heavy load. It is one of the best folding hand trucks that have a capacity of nearly 1,000 pounds as a dolly, whereas you can accommodate up to 500 pounds as a hand truck. Moving things like appliances even become easier with this unit. Perfect for home use. Great for traveling, trade shows, school, work, campgrounds, picnics and a must-have in every car trunk. Easily haul luggage, boxes, groceries, water bottles, paperwork, potted plants and much more. Folds up to save space. With no assembly required, you can get to work within seconds. At number 3. Vevor Portable Climbing Cart. If you often have to deal with stairs and curbs while moving things from one place to another, then this unit from Viver will serve your needs adequately. It is an excellent option for individuals who stay or work above ground level. This brilliant model is capable of accommodating up to 330 pounds with ease. It is one of the best folding hand trucks equipped with 5 inches rubber wheels. This unit can run perfectly on all types of surfaces, making things easier for the users. Improved stability and balance. With 4 wheels in contact with the ground at all times, the weight of the load is distributed more evenly and makes it easier for you to handle. Height-adjustable handle allows you to select the optimum height for both stairs and level surfaces to minimize strain and help reduce the risk of fatigue and injury. At number 2. Cosco Shifter Multi-Position Folding Hand Truck. Packed by an impressive capacity of nearly 300 pounds, this heavy-duty frame is something that every buyer will wish to have. It is one of the most frequently used options in large American stores for moving stuff. You can shop in 3 different colors like pink, green, and orange. This easy-to-use model can be converted quite easily without any use of tools and pins. It is a multi-use unit that can work as an upright hand truck or even a 4-wheel cart according to requirement. Move oversized items of all shapes around the home or office with the Cosco Shifter hand truck. Whether you're moving boxes or unloading the car, this lightweight hand truck does all the heavy lifting. Its multi-position design transforms the shifter into a 2-wheel upright hand truck or a 4-wheel cart in seconds without the use of pins or tools. When the job is finished, simply fold up this versatile workhorse for easy transport and storage. Finally at number 1. Harper Truck's 700 pounds capacity glass-filled. Harper Truck's exclusive I-beam steel tough nylon truss is 30% lighter than steel and designed to be as strong as steel or aluminum hand trucks. Built-in stair glides for easy moving up or down stairs and curbs. Heavy-duty 10 inches pneumatic all-terrain tires and 5 inches heavy-duty swivel casters for easy maneuverability. Made in USA. Frame factory assembled, requires easy assembly of wheels and base plate. Since 1940, Harper Truck's mission has been to sell the highest quality products in the market. We have grown from a small, regional metal fabricator to the largest hand truck manufacturer in the world. As the world's largest manufacturer of hand trucks, Harper makes one of every 3 such trucks sold in the United States. Harper trucks are manufactured in a plant of 400,000 square feet with full robotic and new composite injection capabilities. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.